Good morning, students. How are you? I am uh, thinking that you are well and enjoying and the classes. Soon you are going to have your um, summer break and some work is like always it is given to you. So this time also some activities and projects are being given and you have to complete them. But how you will complete, first I am explaining you. Together I am explaining you that social science and moral science both. So first I will explain you social science, then moral science. The first activity which you have to do, first work which you have to do, it is most important because after the summer break you will have your unit test exams, unit test number 1 exams. So for that you have to learn the full syllabus of social science and the 3 chapters full syllabus. It doesn't mean that full book. You have to learn the syllabus of unit test number 1, and that syllabus is unit test 1 syllabus is chapter number 1 of history, then geography chapter number 1, then civics chapter number 1. All these chapters you have to prepare. In that, how you are going to prepare and what you are going to prepare, you have to learn the worksheet. 2 worksheets I have given you. These 2 worksheets you have to learn. Secondly, you have to learn the exercise work, fill in the blanks, MCQ, match the column, and that true false. This exercise work you have to prepare. Then you have to prepare 10 to 20 words which are given in the book. This work you have to prepare for your UT1. Now, second thing, complete the work in the notebooks. If you have not completed your work in the notebook still, then you complete it. Otherwise, you will have a problem when it will be asked you to submit the notebooks. You have to complete the work in the map book sheet number 1 to 7, which I have sent you already, right? So that work you have to complete. Next, the activities. What activities and how to do the activities? Number 1 activity, that write the preamble in the proper form. Whatever the format is given, that proper format is given to you, that some block is given bigger and that in that block it is written there, and below till the end, the date when it is given, that on which date it was completed and on which date it was implemented as the Constitution of India. So you have to do that, okay, and colorful manner, not black and white. You will not paste the printout. You have to do with your hand only, right? The marks will be given only on handmade activity. Then second activity number 2, that is activity number 2, global connection, given on page number 4 of history. In history, when you will open the chapter number 1, page number 4, there is in the corner, left hand side page, on the top corner, there is global connection given. Already you have done in the class, but the children, those who were not present in the class at that time, so for them, it is, I am explaining once again, that full paragraph you have to read once or twice. Then the 2 questions are given. Under that, you have to write the answers with the help of that paragraph. Just like you are doing comprehension in English and Hindi in the same manner. And while doing in the notebook, what you have to do, on the lining page, you have to write down the paragraph and then you have to write the question, then answer of that question, then second question and answer of that question. And on the left hand side page, which is empty page, blank page, on that page you have to paste 2 pictures. These pictures must be colored. Once again I am telling you, and that is given on page number 171. One picture is given on the right hand side page, 171 page, at the top corner left hand side, that is nuclear power plant. That picture you will take out the printout of that colored picture of printer, and then you will paste it on the left hand side page. Then one more picture is given on page number 191, in which one lady is sitting with pitchers and other mud utensils, right? So that cottage industry picture you have to take out the printout. These two pictures you have to paste with this activity. That is your activity number 2. And then project. Next thing is project. Now project, there are 2 projects I am giving you. Out of these 2 you have to do any one. You don't need to do both. Only one which you are able to do easily. One project is there, collect the picture of B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, colorful picture. You can get in any of the old books easily. And then paste it on the left hand side page. On the right hand side page, you start writing about B.R. Ambedkar, and at least 2 pages you have to write about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Right? Whatever you know, whatever you are able to find out, you have to do 2 pages of that. Understood? Now, next project, either do this one or this one, that collect the picture of Sarojini Naidu, and then same way you have to paste it on the left hand side page, and on the right hand side start writing, and 2 pages you have to write about Sarojini Naidu. Who was she, what she has done, and what was her role in the Indian politics and Indian freedom struggle, and all the things you have to write. Understood? These 2 projects are there. Out of these 2 you have to do any one, choose or according to your choice, right? According to your convenient. That much is the work for your holidays. Most important thing is there, that whatever work you are doing, at the time when you are doing that, which date you are doing, you have to write the date positively on the column given for the date, right? So I hope so that you have understood this, and you will do the activity and projects very nicely. Still, if there is any confusion, you may ask in the class. And no need to hurry up. Wait until the market is open, until the things are coming normal situation. So you can take the printout and other things and do neat work. Now there is moral science. One activity only I have told you to do. You have already purchased the sheets. That 10 sheet packet is coming in the market, one side blank and one side empty, and one side lining, and colorful printed pages are coming. So what you have to do, you have to take one colorful picture of Jesus Christ. On the empty page you will paste the Jesus Christ picture, or on the side and at the bottom you will write any 5 sentences, any 5 things, any 5 qualities, any 5 work of Jesus Christ on that page, and you will keep it in the social science activity notebook when you will submit it. Thank you. Have a nice day.